If you want to enable or disable OnePlus 13 5G, first we'll open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our battery tab. There it is. And in our battery, we gotta find our charging settings. Here they are. So in our charging settings, we gotta find smart rapid charging. There it is. So tap on it. And this will activate our fast charger. So when you are using it, I recommend you using your original cable and original adapter, which comes in the box with the phone. So let's try and start and charge it, right? And we can see that it's gonna be very, very fast. I can see our notification. I have a charging limit, but anyways, it's gonna be very, very fast. Here you can even see the timer about the time saved. So to turn it off, simply tap on the switch and now it's off. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.